Do you want to learn how to record your screen and yourself at the same time? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe. If you return, it's so good to see you again. Remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So let's get to it. You're gonna learn how to record your screen and yourself at the same time. This might be for a webinar or a masterclass that you're looking to record. And you want to show yourself as well as your screen at the same time. If there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. Okay guys, we'll just dive right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to open up Zoom. If you don't have Zoom downloaded to your desktop, then you need to get it downloaded. You can download it from the official website and install it on your computer. This can work for both Windows and Mac, so long as you have Zoom on your computer, then you'll be able to easily go through this tutorial. So you open up Zoom, and I have my shortcut on the desktop here, and I've already opened it, so I'll just go. So I will start a meeting. And what we need to do is to start the video. So we need to start our video. So you guys can see me now. And what we need to do is to share our screen. So the first step is for us to be able to see ourselves, which you can naturally do on Zoom. So we need to share our screen. So I will select this PowerPoint presentation that I've downloaded from Canva, just to call out that this is not my presentation. It's just the template I've downloaded from Canva for the sake of this tutorial. So I'll just leave the link down in the description section below, and I will then go to screen share, and here we have it. So we have that presentation here, and once we share the screen, then this happens. You'll be able to see yourself as well as the slideshow that you are presenting. The next step we need to do is to record this session. So the end product of this tutorial is a recording of a presentation with you visible as well. So that's what we're going to be doing. So you go to more, and we go to record, and you can also use the shortcut Alt and R. So record. Once you're ready to start your recording or start presenting, then just click on slideshow, and you'll see the slideshow of the presentation that you're about to present. Make sure that your preview here is in a good position, that people can see you as well as what you're presenting. And when you are good, just start your presentation. Once you're done with your presentation, then you can just stop recording, and you stop recording, and you can stop sharing as well. Zoom will save your recording to your computer. Recording is being converted. See how that looks. And obviously you have that bit in the beginning where you're about to do a slideshow. So yeah, this is just an example of what you get. You get the presentation slide that you're presenting, and you see yourself at the top right hand side of the screen, you talking. Like I mentioned, it's perfect for e-course, for a webinar, for a masterclass that you want to give, so you can record yourself and your screen at the same time. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I hope it was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.